Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo, on behalf of Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki, on Tuesday lead one powerful state delegation to the 6th meeting of the National Council on Niger Delta (NCND), where they hosted by Delta State. The 3-day strategic meeting will get the team stimulating strategies for economic growth and development for Niger Delta region. They organized under the support of the Ministry of Niger Delta in collaboration with the Delta State Government and Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC). Ogbonge people wait and that for the meeting at the host governor Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Ovorewori, Imo State Governor and Chemo Progressive Governors Forum, Senator Hope Uzodinma, and other 7 governors of the Niger Delta region where they represented by their deputies, Ministers of Niger Delta Development, Chemo and Managing Director of NDDC, Engineer Abubakar Momo, Chairman, Senate and House of Representatives on NDDC, traditional rulers, among others. The meeting will get some technical session on the way forward and progress of the region. Conde opened officially by Presido Ahmed Bola Tinubu, where they represented by the Minister of Steel Development, Prince Shaibu Abubakar Audu.
The Niger Delta region, despite being the mainstay of the Nigerian economy, has continued to suffer the adverse effects of oil exploration activities. The resultant effects are environmental degradation, high poverty levels, armed conflicts, poor infrastructure, and widespread poverty, among others. These challenges have been plaguing the region for so many years.
Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo, for your address, can talk about the ways they want to improve and develop the power outreach by private partnership and the capacity of the products where they on ground. In talk say,
it can power 100, 150 houses at once with air conditions, everything. And when you look at the power calculation by way of the financial implication, it's about 100 and something per kilowatt, as against the one you pay for over 200 naira per kilowatt. So it's very reliable. NDDC can do all of this, just identify some communities across the states in Niger Delta. It's 1 megawatt, it's working efficiently. It's a private partnership, private-public partnership agreement. So you can look at the model from Edo and replicate in other areas.
Some of the speakers, like Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Ovorewori and others, will talk for the meeting about the development of Niger Delta communities. Can talk say
the need for an assessment of the state natural resource exploitation in the Niger Delta and the urgent steps that need to be taken in addressing the issue of poverty, unemployment, and economic inequality in the region.
To take Nigeria to the desired destination, I therefore solicit your patience and support to the government at all levels to enable us to achieve this enormous and historic national task.
For the end of the meeting, they expect to share one communique wey go serve as comprehensive blueprint for the development of the Niger Delta region. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Asaba, Delta State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.